Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make paneer mousse at home. This delightful dessert is surprisingly easy to prepare, offering a rich and creamy texture with a healthy twist. You'll only need a few common ingredients and about 5 minutes of active preparation time. It's a perfect treat for satisfying your sweet cravings without any guilt, making it an ideal choice for any occasion. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 100 grams of fresh paneer, crumbled into small pieces. Next, measure out 4 to 6 tablespoons of milk, 1½ tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 2 tablespoons of honey for sweetness. For an extra decadent flavor, consider adding 2 tablespoons of melted dark chocolate. These simple items are all you need to create this amazing dessert. Now for the fun part, blending. Add your crumbled paneer, milk, cocoa powder, and honey into a blender. If you're using melted dark chocolate, add that in now too. Blend everything together until the mixture is perfectly smooth and creamy, ensuring there are no lumps. Once blended, pour this luscious mousse into your chosen serving glasses or small bowls. Then, refrigerate it for at least 3 hours, or even better overnight, to achieve that ideal set consistency. Once your paneer mousse is perfectly chilled and set, it's time to add the finishing touches. You can dust it with a pinch of cocoa powder, sprinkle some chopped nuts, or even add fresh berries or chocolate shavings for an elegant presentation. Serve this delightful, high-protein dessert cold to fully appreciate its creamy texture and rich flavor. It's a wonderfully simple and satisfying treat that you can enjoy anytime.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.